Here we are again in Empurion after the Arctic storms. This is now right at the end of March 2018. And I had told you the way this is built is exactly the same technology as the Mayans and the Egyptians, and who both cultures at the same time wrote inside of their glyphs and symbols their story, where they said that actually their ancestors were from the Pleiades. What's interesting now about this wall, and you can compare with the clips from last year, the sea actually came about 20 feet over this and landed into the old city, into the ruins of Empurion, and took down the rest of the walls. This was not a fortification, by the way, nor was this just a seawall. This was part of an installation of which the entire top structure is gone. It's nowhere to be seen in the sea. But what is amazing is when you see how the waves brought the sand in, covered everything up, and pulled out. And that's how you see civilizations simply vanish. But don't forget what I explained about where is the top structure. Well, they were able basically to teleport it or dematerialize it and reappear in some better place. This is how we see civilizations come and go.